Hi, Dr. Laura Parks with Cloud9 Acupuncture and Integrative Medicine. So, follow up to castor oil abdominal pack video. I'm going to show you exactly how to do a castor oil pack on the abdomen for fertility as well as for detoxification. So I have a volunteer and I'm going to demonstrate on her how you would do the castor oil. Alright, so the oil is already applied to the upper abdomen. This is right below her rib cage. Upper abdomen oil is applied. Lower abdomen is also applied. You're going to take it to the top of the pubic bone and all the way across the abdomen. So the whole abdomen is treated with the castor oil. The reason for this is because you want to detox not only the uterus and oxygenate the uterus with the castor oil, but you want to detox the liver, the spleen, the stomach, the large intestine, the small intestine, and of course the uterus. So once the oil is on, then you're going to apply some piece of cotton fabric. On my bio, there's a link for all of these supplies. It doesn't look like this. I just decided to do this video on the fly today to help some of you with a visual aid. So you're going to apply your fabric or dedicated castor oil towel, what have you, on top of the oil. Then you're going to take a heat source such as an electric blanket if you are inclined to use that type of heat source, or a hot water bottle works great, and you're just going to lay that across the abdomen, covering the uterus area all the way up to the top here where the rib cage comes together. Once you have that on, you're going to rest for somewhere between 30 to 60 minutes or as long as overnight. If you're having a lot of detox reactions, like let's say your menstrual flow gets too heavy after you do the castor oil pack, or you're suffering from some detox headaches, something like that, first of all, always make sure that you're hydrated when you're doing any type of self-care detox. Secondly, you might be going too fast. Maybe you have far more things to detox from your body than you expected, because this does get things moving in a good way. You'll want to take it a little slower. So in most of my videos, I talk about doing 3 days on and then taking a 3-day break so your body has a chance to purge all those things that you're detoxing. If your detox reactions are too severe, take it back a notch. Try 1 day on, 3 days off, for example. If you're trying to get pregnant while you're doing castor oil packs, always stop when you get to ovulation so that you don't risk any negative impact to pregnancy. It is contraindicated during pregnancy. That's why we stop at ovulation. If you're not trying to conceive, you can keep going through the cycle. 3 days on with the castor oil pack application, 3 days of rest or 3 days off, so on and so forth. Or again, if it's too much, go slower.